Hello and welcome to Puro. In this video we will show you how to correctly install your Puro scale. When you find a suitable location, you have to make sure that the scale is level, as this is good weighing practice. You can level the scale by looking through this section of the front of the indicator. To level the scale, turn the feet anti-clockwise to lower and clockwise to higher the scale. You can use all 4 feet to ensure that the scale is level and in the correct position. Here you can check the weight distribution. When you are happy that the scale is level, and you have checked the spirit level bubble is in the centre, you can turn on your Puro scale. The current software will be briefly displayed on startup. Here you can see the current status of the battery and how much charge is left in your scale. If necessary, charge the battery. Here you can see the Puro scale. You should not put the scale in this position. This is purely for demonstration purposes. There are 4 blue adjustable feet. These can be unscrewed by hand as demonstrated. The second foot acts as a locking nut to adjust the height of the Puro scales. It is highly recommended that when you start to level the scale, the feet should be in the lowest possible position. Should you ever need to change the rechargeable batteries, unclip the catch on the larger cover. Here you will see black Velcro. Undo this and gently pull to remove the batteries. Carefully disconnect the battery cable. Now you can remove the battery pack. As you can see, this is reversed to put the batteries back together and in place. Make sure you put the Velcro back over the top. There is space with the gap to put the remaining piece of the Velcro. Now you can replace the cover easily. On the smaller cover, when you remove this, you reveal the charging point, which is a USB-C connector. This is a universal charger. As you can see, the cover can be replaced while the cable is still connected. Reopening the cover, you can see the USB-A port. This is for connection to a printer or can also be connected directly to a PC. Once again, when the cover is replaced, the cable can stay connected. For this demonstration, the cable is being connected to a small printer. Thank you for your attention.